So let's quickly do our magic block. Cost price, profit, selling price. So it's markup percentage, it's 100, 50, 150. So then it is 14,000 divided by 1.14. And that gives you 12280. No, yeah. So the selling price is 12280. 12280.7170. Okay. So in other words, now we're going to calculate this. So it's 12280.70 divided by 150 multiplied by 100, and that gives you 8187.13. So now we can fill in the cost of sales. Where were we? Where am I? Ah, here we go. Sorry. 8187.13. So remember, with something like this, if you gave somebody a discount, you don't use that to calculate the cost, because let's face it, you paid full price, so the cost is the real cost, or the actual cost price that you paid for the item. That obviously has to be deducted to get to your profit. Alright, so your trading inventory then would have decreased with 8187.13. Your cost of sales would be debited with 8187.13. Sorry, let me just first mark here. Okay, so this was the cash book receipts, and we have done that one. Let's just look at the time. No, it's 20 past 4 in the afternoon here. Very beautiful day outside. So let's continue. Okay, next one. Runway dealers. Oh, that will be a debtors journal, I think. Yeah, we purchased from Runway dealers. Runway dealers requested a 20% rebate on their invoice. That's the purchase in the debtors journal. The goods were not according to order. Please fire that person who did that order, and I'm joking. Goods were not according to the order. Issued credit note DA1 to grant their request. Alright, so let's have a look and see how that one turns out. So in other words, now again it's debtors control, and remember what I said, it's the same with creditors and creditors allowance journal. The debtors allowance journal is the opposite of debtors journal, so when you reverse it, you do the opposite of your debtors journal. So we've got the debtors control, which is an asset plus minus. Then what did we buy? It was a reversal of sales, so that will be your sales returns, because they returned the sales. So sales return is an equity minus plus. And then is VAT involved? Yeah, we need to reverse the VAT as well. So in your debtors control, it's VAT output, so your debtors allowance journal will be VAT input, which is an asset plus minus. All right. So let's quickly look at that one. So now we first need to calculate. So we got a 20% rebate. So the original transaction was for 4,560. So now we calculate 20% of that. So it's 4,560 multiplied by 20%. equals 912. Okay, so in other words, our debtors will decrease with 912. Then your sales returns, that's an expense. So it's 912 divided by 1.14 is 800. And your VAT input is then 912 minus 800 is 112. So that will go into your debtors allowance journal because your debtors are decreasing. So let's quickly let's quickly complete that. So it's DA1 is your document number. The day is the 9th and it was Runway Dealers. Then your debtors is 912, your VAT 112, your sales return 800. But now why don't we fill anything in the cost of sales and the trading inventory column? Because they are getting a cash rebate. They didn't return the items, so no items, no stock was involved, only cash. So therefore there's no cost of sales or trading inventory that switched hands or cost that had to be recalculated. Your cost was already calculated and that will still stay as such in your debtors journal with the previous transaction. Alright, great stuff, great stuff. So let me just mark that and that. And let's mark that one. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, I think I've talked enough for now. I'm going to take a little break, but I will be back and then we can continue with this exercise. So thank you very much. See you guys later. I think before I go, I just want to see if, there we go. See, your bank increases, cash book receipt decreases, cash book payments, debtors, creditors, petty cash and everything else goes into your general journal. And then this is what we've done so far. And now you can see the headings of your journals as well. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, no, I actually bought a new camera, so this is the first time I'm using it. And I'm glad to see it works a lot better than the previous camera, because I had a lot of problems with the other camera. But I think at the end of each lesson I will do this and you can just fill in and complete whatever you're still missing. Oh. Oh, that's just my beautiful handwriting. And then there is the petty cash. Alright, I think this will work a lot better. Then at least you can see what I'm writing and how it all works together. So at the end of every lesson, I will do that. Alright. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to our next lesson. Thank you, guys.